We want to thank all of you for joining us tonight at our Ignite house groups. Thank you for coming and being a part of the launch party. We're very excited about the things that we are going to try to accomplish this year with our Ignite house groups. We've made a few changes to how we are putting together all of our Ignite houses. And one of the big things that we're doing this year is that we are combining our teaching time that we use on Sunday mornings with our small group time that we will have on Sunday nights. So what that looks like is right now you are a part of what we're going to be calling our ignition point. It's going to be a way for us to connect the things that we were talking about on Sunday morning and being able to prepare you for your time through small groups. So as an example, if I were putting together an ignition point for tonight, I would be holding up a spark plug and I'd be talking all about the things that we talked about this morning. So we want you to know, we want you to get comfortable with exactly what we are going to try to accomplish. And so we want you all to know that at 6 o'clock, just as we started tonight, we're going to start with some snacks. We're going to have some time for you to hang out. And then we're going to kick into a game or an activity or something that will be related to the things that we'll be doing that night. And then we'll be showing you our announcements, this ignition point, and then you'll be able to break off into your small groups. Now, one of the things that we know is that we're not sure who is at what house tonight, and we've got to do a little bit to organize ourselves before we are ready to be able to launch into small groups. And so this is what we need you to do right now. You are being handed a yellow card just like this. We want you to take that card. On the top of it, you will see our calendar for the entire year of Ignites. I'm going to talk a little bit about something called Ignite in the Den in just a moment. But we want you to see our calendar. We want you to see all the things that we're doing, when we are doing Ignite house groups, when we will be doing something different. So we want you to take that home, give it to your parents, put it in your Bible, organize yourself, let yourself know when we will be doing what Ignite events. But on the bottom there, you will see that we are asking you to fill out a little bit of information. So if you'll just tear off the bottom of that, fill out the information with the pen that is provided, hand that back to your Ignite house leader. We will take those, we'll organize those, and next week we will be breaking off into small groups depending on how everything lays out. So one of the things that we also want to tell you about is this year we're doing something called Ignite in the Den. Our first one comes up on September 6th. That is a Sunday night every time, always going to be on Sunday nights, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. But instead of meeting at your houses, we're going to invite all of you guys to come join us at the Den. On September 6th, we're actually going to invite your parents to come alongside so that they can hear all of the things that we're going to try to accomplish throughout this school year. They'll hear about the events that we have planned. They'll hear about all of the amazing things that we have going on for this year. So we also want to tell you that one of the things that we're going to try to accomplish throughout the year, every once in a while, is a thing called Ignition Comps. So this is how Ignition Comps are going to work, and we're going to do it right now. Starting right now, this is what we need. We need 3 or 4 of your best dancers. In just a moment, you will be dancing to the song Watch Me. We want to see how you whip, how you nay-nay, and we want to see who does it the best. We are going to be competing North House versus Central House versus South House. Which house has the better dance? So we want you to shoot that video, have your leaders text that to me, and we will declare who is the winner next week. We're so excited about all the things that we're trying to do with our Ignite groups. We hope that you jump in. We hope that you'll be a part of us this year as we jump into Ignite.